Yes, the spokesperson to Sunday Igboho, Olayomi Koiki, declares president of Miyetti Allah wanted. My people, you are seeing that Nigeria is, entering into another face-off. Hours after herdsmen group Miyetti Allah Katore alleged that Southwest governors are hiding Sunday Adeyemo, simply known as Sunday Igboho, Olayomi Koiki has declared the president of the group wanted. In his post on his Facebook page, Igboho spokesman posted a picture of the president with the tag wanted. According to Koiki Media, is the media aide to Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. According to Koiki, the group's president is wanted by pro-Yoruba Patriotic Front, Oduduwa, and he said Miyetti Allah president wanted by pro-Yoruba Patriotic Front for herdsmen killing of people, and admitting that he and his group called herdsmen Miyetti Allah are the one responsible for the killings all over Nigeria. Even he has said that they are the ones responsible for the attack on Samuel Ortom's convoy, which is the governor of Benue State. Recall that Miyetti Allah spokesman Saleh Al-Hassan has asked Sunday Igboho to turn himself into security operatives. People react to this post. Here are some reactions. So many reactions has been trailing on social media. Social media is on fire. Well, yes, let's get it started like they did to us, according to so many reactions on social media. Says the northern people have been declaring so many people wanted. According to Miyetti Allah earlier, said they should arrest Governor Ortom. Now it has been said that the South are now playing the game back. Yes, first step to confirm. Yes, so very good. Most wanted man on earth is the Miyetti Allah president, Al-Hassan. Well, that's good. Well, it could be seen from the comments above that some people are also alleging that the leader of the Miyetti Allah is a killer, while some declared him wanted, as Koiki did. Yeah, it's not even only Koiki now will declare him wanted. Southerners are also declaring him wanted because he is the president of the so-called herdsmen killer, killing people and placing them homeless, not even in the south only, but all over Nigeria, even the northern region. The herdsmen have been killing so many people. Wow. It's not even only in south, because the killing started from the northern part of the country. So many people have been reacting, and the ones that are discrediting it and airing their displeasure over the killings of herdsmen all over Nigeria that is rampaging. Herdsmen, kidnapping, Boko Haram, they are all the same. We are going to hang him if he comes to the south. Somebody is saying, bravo, don't worry, you will soon join Sunday in hiding. That's somebody replying to what this person has just said. Yes, wanted, then for place money for his head. Say, okay, this amount we're going to pay to look for him. He doesn't want placing money on his head. He doesn't want placing money on his head. He is just a common criminal. His legs are killed and burned to ashes in the part of the southern Nigeria. Why did he go run away? Now with his medicine, Juju, the man is a scammer. Oh, somebody is reacting. He's getting hotter and hotter on social media. Your brothers left real bandits and are busy pursuing agitators. Your days are numbered. Why did herdsmen not apprehend upon the killings? That's the point. Confirm wanted. Yes, Lois wanted now. So no, the man is a criminal and terrorist. I personally put 50k on his head. Supported with 100k. Oh boy. Oh, social media is on fire concerning this wanted by Koiki Media. Al-Hassan, the president of Miyetti Allah, has been placed on bounty 50k, 100k. Someone says they should place money on his head, but said he's not worth it because he's just a criminal. Okay, let me send my account number. I saw him in my area and he's still there. Wanted. So many people are, discrediting him and making jest of this post. Let all southern governors and senators push for secession. This problem of killing or Fulani killing is becoming very alarming. Could you imagine killing their counterpart Hausa on a daily basis? The worst civilian rule ever. Separation best medicine on ground to savage people in this country. And that's true. This person has already said that even they are even killing their own people every day by day. That is not so. He doesn't speak well of the northern people. Now that they have declared him wanted, let's see how it goes, because they also are not even ready to salvage the situation in their own domain, which is in northern Nigeria, because the northern people, they behave like cows. Only you talk about the balanced truth. In my locality, they rampage every small village without recourse to the offenses our people committed to them, and government cannot protect us and won't allow using of firearms against the murderers. It's so pathetic. Yes, this person says he lives in the north and the government or governors and government are not ready to even help them at all. That they kill people on a daily basis without remorse, and nobody is saying anything. Why now? As government no want to protect your community and they don't allow the community to protect themselves. If your community go ahead by force to acquire gun and protect yourself, government will prescribe them and call them terrorists and send soldiers and DSS against them, like in the case of ESN, indigenous people of Biafra. God save your people. Okay, this is what the person says. He said, let all southern governors and senators push for secession. This problem of Fulani killing is becoming very alarming. Could you imagine killing their counterpart Hausa on a daily basis? The worst civilian rule ever. Well, someone said separation is the best medicine to these killings and to these menace and terrorism in the so-called part of the northern Nigeria. Fire, fire, fire burning in northern Nigeria. Killing going on. Yes, that's what so many people have been saying. That's the spirit, my guy. Fight back viciously. Now only them shall we make threats. Shall we make threats. Back it up by removing all Fulani either or no either from your southwest. But in a general sense, let's look at it in a general sense. The northern people, they are the most affected, especially the Hausas. They have kept mute for no cause reason. Now man, you be my guy. And the whole matter be that the southern leaders, both pro-southern and statesmen, only good in talking without actions. Believe me, if Fulani declare something, them they run am. Say Nnamdi Kanu and see the letter to Delta State government all executed. Fulani don't take over my area for Sapele Delta State. The South need to act, not only declaring. Yes, if you are declaring unwanted, you need to act also. Well, I would like to share your thoughts over the comment section.